Hi, first of all, let's talk about how password is hatched or verified. From the shortcut here, we see that when a user tries to log in to the web page, they will provide the username and password, but in plain text. And after that, the information will be inserted into the database. Here we note that the password will be hashed by the function generate password hash. Here we see that the methods is SHA256 and the salt blend a characters in default. If the methods is plans, I mean that no encryption methods are available, the so is empty. But if the method default here is SHA256, they will generate. So then combine the hash between the method, so and password. Let's talk about how the password is verified. To verify the password is quite simple here. First of all, we will check the username is valid or not. If the username is valid, they will check the password by check the hash information from the plain text that the user provided and the hash password from the database. Here they use the safe string compare is a constant time compare function. It means that it's a non-vulnerable to time attack. Next, we move to the encrypted box. We can check the shortcut file block.by here to encrypt or decrypt the box content. We assume here we should encrypt the box body. Uh, there are two things we need to consider here. First of all, when user doesn't log into the web page, they cannot see any bot. And we can check this by check the session. If the session here of this user ID is empty, means that they do not log in. We will return to the empty box. But when the user is valid, when they query the box content, we can encrypt, mean we can decrypt the encrypt the box to show. Here we assume that we use the AIS cipher here, with the key derived from the current app config security. This is from the config.by file, the security key from this file. When we create a new box before the body is saved to the database, it will encrypt it. And when we we update or read, for example, in this case, we update the the encrypted will be decrypted. We can see that from the database here, the body is encrypted and the key is accessed from the app's data structure. So the complete system is we will check the session to make sure that the user is already logged into the web page. If the user is already logged, we will query the post from database and then do the description to show the plain text post body. And when the user react a new post or updates, the corresponding encrypted bodies will be encrypted and saved to the database. Uh, Here we also provide the detailed source of the AAS cipher with encrypt and decrypt function, and the output will be converted into a